Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to redirect customer to custom page depending on order status after checkout in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. So scroll down. Now you see payment gateway. So order status for payment gateway are different. Direct bank transfer, check payment are on hold order status, processing order status for cash on delivery. So we are going to redirect customer to custom page depending on order status after checkout. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see page URL, so you can add URL according to your requirement. And then you see order status on hold, so you can add completed order status, processing order status according to your requirement. So we added on hold. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto install, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So we added shop page URL. Now go to checkout page. Now you see we have 5 payment gateway on hold order status for direct bank transfer and check payment. Now refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see payment gateway. So we added on hold order status in custom code. Now select direct bank transfer, enable this option, and then click on place order. So you can add on hold, completed or processing order status according to your requirement in custom code. Now you see after checkout completion, redirect to shop page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.